Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, if you want to check out vizard.ai, I have dropped a link in the description. Below you will find some nice deals or bonuses there, so definitely have a look at after this video. Now today I'm giving you my honest review of vizard.ai, an AI-powered video editing tool that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. It claims to take your long-form videos like podcast interviews and YouTube videos and automatically turn them into short viral clips ready to post on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Short. But does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another AI promise that falls short in the real world use? So let's get into it. So first let's talk about what vizard.ai actually does. So here's the basic idea. vizard.ai takes your long form content videos and automatically turns them into the best, most engaging moments and adds captions and formats everything into vertical videos that look native to social media platform. It's aimed at content creators, marketers, coaches, or really anyone who's recording videos, contents, and want to repurpose it efficiently. The best part is you don't need to know how to edit. You upload a video and the AI does most of the heavy lifting. That's the main appeal here, and the speed and simplicity is amazing. No timeline editing, no trimming, no exporting hassles. It's just like having a personal video editor who never gets tired. You upload a full video and it automatically detects the most viral worthy moments, whether it's a strong hook, an emotional moment, or something funny. And also it has got this auto caption and formatting feature. It automatically adds captions and formats them into 20 social media style with highlighted words, emojis, and bold text. For key phrases, it saves a ton of time compared to manual styling caption. And also there are basically two segment modes inside the platform. So the first one is called the viral clip. It is for quick repurposing. It scans what's said in your video and creates short snappy clips. And then you have the Spark 1.0 is the newer, more advanced mode. It analyzes, visualizes sound, tone and emotion to find cinematic or emotional highlight. It's perfect for more creative storytelling style content. And also you can actually schedule and post clips automatically to multiple platforms. So imagine uploading one long podcast and having a week's worth of short videos auto posted across your accounts. And also there is a built-in calendar. You get a visual content calendar to manage your posts. For creators, for small teams, that's a big plus. Alright, now let's talk about what I actually liked about vizard.ai. The first thing is that it's a massive time saver. I tested it on long YouTube video and within minutes I had multiple shots ready to post. That alone is a game changer for consistently. And the AI genuinely picked interesting section. Not perfect every time, but I would say around 80% of the clips were usable right away. And also the caption layouts and overall aesthetic looks really good. It doesn't scream auto-generated. And also you don't need to be an editor, designer or social media expert. The learning curve is almost zero. If you work with editors or assistants, you can share projects and streamline the workflow easily. Now, of course, it's not perfect. Here are some of the downside that I think you should actually know about before using it. And sometimes there is occasional misfires in the clips and the section. Sometimes the AI cuts off the section that you don't make sense on their own. So you still might need to tweak or reclip a few parts. And also there is limited creative control. If you like to manually edit or fine-tune visuals, this might feel restrictive because it's built for speed, not deep customization. And also it's a subscription based pricing. There's no one-time payment option, and some features like Spark 1.0 are only available on higher plans. And also there is sometimes a performance lag depending on the video length and the resolution. Export times can sometimes take a few minutes and sometimes the processing queue can get long. So now let's talk about who vizard.ai is best for. So if you're a content creator, coach or podcaster who wants these short clips consistently but hates editing, this tool is 100% worth trying out. If you're a video editor or filmmaker who prefers control over every frame, you might find it too automated. But if you just want to post daily short form content and save hours of manual editing, Wizard AI is honestly one of the best AI tools out there right now. So overall, I would say Wizard AI is absolutely worth trying, especially if your goal is to stay consistent on social media without burning out on editing. It's not perfect, but it gets you 80% of the way there with almost no effort. If you want to check it out, I have dropped the link in the description below. It might include some special perks or trial offers. And as always, if you have enjoyed this video, give this video a like, subscribe, and for more honest AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you use AI video editor like Wizard to speed up your content creation? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.